Is that the boss back there? Hey, YouTube.
If you want a really solid six-pack, hang over a joist with just your knees and see how long it takes.
Better than the dips. In the trenches, buddy. Further down in the trenches, buddy. Tell me if it's better. It's a Malco. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. I like to know. Here is the box day branch. Yes, 5-port branch box. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually a 10-port. It's actually 12-port. There's 10 there and 2 there. Oh, okay. So I mean, technically, it's double the capacity it says, right? 12-port. It's amazing. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Just gonna go up here, something like this right here. Something like that right there. There you go. Maybe something more like this over here. Something like this right there. I like.
Hey everybody, Jared with Ductless Plus once again. Here we are, we're out in Parker, Colorado. We just fought through a hail storm from, you know, hail. But this is our ceiling cassette we did in this room. This is the primary bedroom. So we did 4 units over here. We did 4 units, YouTube. So come on over here with the... Uh-oh, here's Adam. Adam, say hi.
What up, YouTube? A little bit of cleanup.
So the one that you just saw was a 9,000 BTU unit. This is a really small little baby room, so we have 6,000 in there. We have it set at 64 because we've been cycling, and if you notice there's one light on, that means it's within a couple of degrees of satisfying. So I'm just gonna bump this up to 74. It doesn't need to be running. But there's that one, that's number 2. This one's number 3, and as you can see how that has 2 lights on there? That means it's 4 degrees away from set point. And here's the cool thing about this. So it's set at 64, but if you watch, I'm gonna start turning it down, and you're gonna watch one of those lights go away. Or I'm gonna turn it up, sorry. See how the light went away? That means it's satisfied. That means that it's within satisfying or within 2 degrees. That actually feels really, really cool. Very exciting. Do keep in mind, so these are machines built for room-to-room applications. You're not gonna be able to put one in and cool your whole upper floor. It just doesn't work that way. You're gonna wanna, you know, put one in every room that you want conditioning in. So And that's a really neat thing about mini splits or ductless technology, is you can actually zone technology everything and actually not run the ones that you don't need to be in as far as the rooms. If you're not going to be in there, why run them? That's what ducted or unitary units are so inefficient, because you got one thermostat, it's coming on, and every single room in the house is getting conditioning. You know, it doesn't matter if you're not in that part of the house or if it's the basement or whatever. So ductless technology is 100% better as far as efficiency. That, not only that, they cycle the refrigerant a lot differently. It's in proportions. They never go from 0 to 100%. They'll run in percentiles to get to that degree. Once they finally satisfy, then you're seeing it even scale down a little bit more, and it's just trying to take out fractions of a degree. So we don't get this big up and down wavelength of hot, cold spots. So it's actually consistent comfort. Consistent comfort. Fastest way to comfort. Ductless Plus. Yes, yes. And then here's this one again. You can see that we have it turned to 64 because we're just ramping it down. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna turn it up. Oh, it's already 67 degrees in here. So I'm gonna bump it up to 74. I like 74. So there you go. There's our 4-head, multi-zone, branch box, hyperheating, Mitsubishi Awesomeness stuff. I think that's what it's called. But thank you guys. Gently and politely hit the subscribe button, the like button, and please leave us some comments. I've been getting a lot of hate from you Mr.Cool guys out there, but whatever floats your boat, I'm okay with it. You know, if you want a Mr.Cool, they'll sell them to you. Do yourself a favor though, why don't you hop on their BBB rating and see what it is. It might be an A+, but they got a 1.4 customer service review record out of 5. So, hey everybody, this is Jared with Ductless Plus. This is Mark. We were invited out here to put a system in for him, so we came out here and did 4 ceiling cassettes upstairs. We did a hyperheating unit on the side of the house. We've basically been over here for about 6 months. I'm kidding. It's only been. Yeah. Mark, what do you think of what do you think of the work that we did for you?
You guys were awesome.
Thank you.
And you've only been here for 4 days.
Oh,
And I
okay.
held you to that, and you got here and you did it.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Everything was kept clean. The install is clean. I can't complain, and I usually complain a lot.
Well, I appreciate that you let us come out here and work for you. It means a lot to us. I know that there's 1,000 other contractors, and for you to have chosen us really makes me feel great. You know, I mean, it's hard to, you know, take care of customers and do a good job for them and be perfect, but we really try our best. So thanks again. I really appreciate the opportunity. And, you know, if you ever need anything, please give us a call. We'll be glad to help.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment. And if you got anything to say about Mark, let him know. He'll read the comments.